Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move your CamScanner files from your phone to your PC. First, open your CamScanner app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Tap on the document you want to send, then tap the share or send button. Tap on share as PDF. From the menu, choose Gmail and type your email address and tap send. Now go to your computer, open your email and download the file from there. You can also use the CamScanner website. First, make sure you are signed in on the CamScanner app on your phone. Now on your computer, open a web browser and go to www.camscanner.com. Log in with the same account. You will see your scanned files. Just click on the one you want to download. Another way is by saving your files to your cloud apps like Google Drive on your phone. Open the document in CamScanner, tap share, then choose upload to Drive or any cloud app. Later, open the same cloud app on your computer and download your file. And that's it. You can use email, the website or cloud app to move your CamScanner file to your PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.